If you're a Long Island homeowner thinking about replacing your roof, you've probably heard about metal roofing. But is it actually worth it? Let's break it down. First, the biggest advantage: durability. A quality metal roof lasts 40 to 70 years. That's 2 to 3 times longer than a standard asphalt shingle roof. For homes here in Suffolk and Nassau County, where we deal with nor'easters, salt air, heavy snow, and high winds, that kind of toughness matters. Metal roofs are also incredibly energy efficient. The reflective surface deflects solar heat, which can cut your cooling costs by up to 40% during those hot Long Island summers. Some systems even qualify for federal tax credits, and maintenance, minimal. No moss, no rot, no pest damage. Snow and ice shed faster too, which means fewer ice dams in the winter. Now let's talk about the cons. The biggest con is the upfront investment. Metal costs more than asphalt to install, but when you factor in that, you likely won't need to replace it again. Plus the energy savings and lower maintenance costs. It often comes out ahead over time. Some homeowners also worry about noise during rainstorms. The good news, with proper installation and quality underlayment, the difference is barely noticeable. And if you're worried about the look, don't be. Today's metal roofs come in styles that mimic slate, woodshake, and traditional shingles. They look great on everything from classic colonials in Garden City to modern builds in Huntington. Bottom line, if you're planning to stay in your home long-term and want a roof that can handle whatever Long Island throws at it, metal is absolutely worth considering. Call Rapid Roofing to get a free estimate and find out if it's the right fit for your home.